Hello, Josh Niehaus here to talk to you about an amazing benefit we recently added into our Elite Inspection. What is this amazing benefit? I'll tell you here shortly after I tell you why we implemented this addition. As a home inspection company, our main job is to point out defects inside the home. After we find these defects, however, the first question any buyer asks our inspectors is, how much will that cost? This is kind of an awkward scenario at an inspection and puts the inspector in a bit of a predicament. Our inspectors are not trained to be contractors who can give estimates and prices. They are trained to find mistakes that contractors have already made inside the property. Also, mentioning prices to a buyer during a sensitive time in the escrow process can make both the agent and buyer nervous. At the Elite Group, in order to remain unbiased in our findings, we never perform repairs and we don't comment on the price required to fix the defects. We are simply there to point out the issues that a homeowner may face when owning that home. This, however, can leave many agents and their buyers in a predicament with short contingency periods and deadlines to meet, yet no idea of a way forward to effectively negotiate. As a solution to the aforementioned issues, we recently discovered a repair estimating tool provided by RepairPricer.com that will now be included with every Elite package inspection. Repair Pricer is an independent third-party estimating company that provides 100% unbiased repair estimates based on home inspection reports. This is not a software. Each report is prepared by a highly experienced pricing expert with an intimate knowledge of the skills and costs needed to address each defect. Their pricing experts thoroughly review each report and prepare individual cost estimates for every item, paying careful attention to the minute details. Pricing is zip code specific and on average 98% accurate in a statistical scenario. For instance, if you were to hire 100 contractors to come out to that home and give you an estimate to complete the necessary repairs, the average price quoted would be almost exactly the same as a Repair Pricer report estimate. We will now be offering this unique tool to the agents in the transactions. The agents can then use this tool to complete their requests for repairs in a timely fashion or negotiate a credit or price reduction for their clients. This is designed to help save time, worry, and frustration in the real estate transaction. In a competitive real estate market, sellers are less likely to offer repairs, and buyers will need this understanding that this is not an end-all be-all list or exact number that they need to receive from the seller. This can be used as a highly effective tool in negotiations, but proper expectations should be set with the buyer and the agent to ensure the best use of this tool. If you want to receive this as an agent, make sure your clients choose the Elite Inspection Package. Thank you so much for watching this video. We're excited to offer this tool to help agents in their business, and please call the Elite Group for your next home inspection.